Okay, so for the paella, I have the mise en place here, and the first step is the shrimp stock. For this, I'm gonna use 300 milliliters of clam juice and 300 milliliters of water, together with the shells of the shrimps, and they are already deveined. So I'm going to remove the shells, and I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the tail for better presentation. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. So the stock's going on here, and the shrimp's in the fridge, and now my squid was already cleaned when I bought it. So I'm gonna divide it in two, and I'm gonna cross the inside of the squid so it will curl. And the saffron is already inside. I'm gonna let it simmer until we need it, and I'm gonna start by caramelizing the chorizo. Okay, so I have my chorizo here. I'm gonna reserve it. The pan is really hot. I'm gonna just caramelize the shrimps really quickly. Don't want them to be fully cooked. And this is the remaining oil from the chorizo. Okay, so our shrimp is here, reserved. Now it's time for the squids. They also are just gonna get caramelized, not completely cooked. Okay, so our proteins are here. Now I'm gonna just add a little bit more of olive oil, and I'm gonna put the onions. I don't want them to get a lot of color. I just want them to get tender. And I'm gonna add the garlic and reserve some for the shrimp. Since it is already reduced, a little thickened, I'm gonna add the paprika. Mix for a minute. It's very fragrant and smoked. not bomba rice. This is arborio rice. Couldn't find the bomba rice. Season it a little because we cannot mix it. Once the liquid is added, right? Okay, so I add the chorizo, sausage, mix it well. Now the calamari. Then I will add the stock. Rotate the pan so the heat will be distributed evenly. I wanted the liquid to reduce to the level of the rice, so I will rotate the pan every 3 to 5 minutes. Reduced to 50% mostly. I'm gonna add the mussels that have been washed, scrubbed. They're all closed, so they're fresh. I'm gonna add more than 6 because I have lots of them. So I'm gonna place them with the hinge touching paella. Okay, so I just removed the paella from the oven. Now I'm gonna cover it with oil and let it rest for 5 minutes. So my paella is here resting, and then we're gonna finish the shrimps. So I'm gonna add them. It's already hot. They're gonna cook through. And they're gonna get a nicer flavor from the garlic. Returned to the stove for a while, so the sauerkraut can be formed, but not for long, just some minutes. Alright, so it's time to finish it. I'm gonna add the shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna add the final touch of the olive oil and voila.